Short numeric array JavaScript series. Element with id output. Let output equal to get element by id output. Here I declare one array. My numbers equal to 105, 101, minus 98 and 9. My variable dot sort. Let's see the result. We can see here minus number, then 0, 1 and 101. Something wrong is here because 101 is greater than 5 and 9. In JavaScript, sort by default work alphabetically. Here need to add some methods. Arrow function with x and y parameters and return x minus y. Let's see the result. We can see now number now display correctly. Minus value, then 0 to 101. Let's see another example. Function float 64 array. It produce same result. Let's make one changes and see now. I hope you like this video. Until next video, goodbye.